Hi. I'm Dark Giga Bowser, and today I'm going to steal Link's car. Ha 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 ha. Alright. There's Link's car. Let's steal it. Uh-oh. His car alarm went off. I better run before Link catches me.
Hold it right there, mister.
Uh-oh. Link is coming. I'm in so much trouble now.
Oh yes, you are. Dark Giga Bowser. I can't believe you tried to steal my car. That's it. I'm calling the police for this.
No 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 no.
Hello, police. This is Link speaking. Dark Giga Bowser was trying to steal my car. Can you arrest him, please? Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
Freeze, mister. You're under arrest for attempting to steal Link's car. You're going to jail for a long time. Get in the police car right now.
So long, Dark Giga Bowser. Enjoy being locked up in jail for a long time.
This is your cell. Get in there right now.
Dark Giga Bowser. We can't believe you got arrested for attempting to steal Link's car. You know doing that kind of stuff is against the law.
But Mom and Dad, I'm sorry for trying to steal Link's car.
No. Your sorry isn't gonna work this time. You are grounded for 299 years.
And you are gonna have punishments when you get out of jail.
We're going home now. We will see you whenever we see you. Goodbye.
Well, it looks like I'm stuck in jail for a long time. This is the worst day ever.